Hello, fan collectors. This is a Hampton Bay Miramar ceiling fan in the Cannady's living room. It has one light down and 4 lights up. Only one or two of the lights is on, and I'll turn the light on. There's 2 or 3 altogether, and I'll turn. And then there's only one, and I'll turn on the fan. I'm only going to put it on medium because I don't like to watch fans go really fast. I don't like it when fans fall because they might have to be replaced. Anyway, this fan is bronze. It has 5 blades and 2 out of 5 lights. And I'll talk to you later, fan collectors. Bye.